Shubor nakaslem jong unong san Hima.
Ka Raj Bhawan hagajing trilang berketanat social welfare nagasni kala Rakhe ke Children's Day hak bagi Khynnah ikbadon ke Duna Dkhot met lawan banishim benta. Hak nagasni bakerpang jong ki Khynnah lawan banedon lang da ulat ke jela UCH Vijaya Shankar ke Kurim jong u ke Director ketanat social welfare ke Kong Kamilia Durin Lingwa ki officer na ketanat social welfare ki bahyi hasem jong ki Khynnah berki berasyak khot sengobha. Habakran hakani sengi nak liang ulat ke jela UCH Vijaya Shankar ulai kublai kerpang yi Khynnah khamtam hakani sengi bakerpang ke jongki ula ongru bakani ke sengi ke bakerpang nak benta ke Raj Bhawan bakan yo ban Rakhe kani sengi ringkat berki Khynnah ki bawan ke skol beper ki badan hakajing Duna hi Dkhot met jongki u Vijaya Shankar ula benrap da ke boong belada don ki Khynnah ki bamyu isu nak daw jong nugu jingja kum kita ke don kalat bakin yo ban yo ibyang bat ban im kajing im ke babyang hendai ke Donkam ban yo yunong ai bat ban pha sumar ban kaliang yaki ula kentu ya ke director ketanat social welfare ban shim kerteng ya gitu Khynnah ki bamatla nadu badangkha bat ya gitu ki bamatla na ki daw jong ke nugu jingja haki bat ban pet lakin la na em ban lei e yaki bakin yo byang ban yo iki khmat ula benrap da ke boong belada ki kendu e ki nugu jing e bat ki Donkam jing Ïarap ban pha sumar ke sorkar bat ulat ke jela kin shim ke jingkit kle ban Ïarap yaki bat ban ekran ber ki jaka sumar ki babha ki badan ke jela ki rela khamtam kitu ki bahapo khat sausnam ki don kalat bakin yu ibyang bat kitu ki badang yu i malumala ki la ban pha sumar bat udan ke jingkit men bakini tang hapo khat sau ne khat sansngi kin sha sumar bat kin la ban bot ke jing tha ke baki labo hadien baki lawan phai na ke jaka jing sumar
Something happened, definitely I can be replaced. You try to find out and tell you. Something happened in the middle. For such cases, 100% there is a possibility. Again, they can lead a normal life. Only thing we have to find some donors, eye donors, and we have to go for replacement. There's one thing, I ask our director to make the list of the blind children, how many of by birth they are blind, and how many of them in the middle something happened to them. In the middle something happened to them, definitely we can pursue such cases, we can try for them and say that something to be done in case of such babies, and again there is a 100% possibility we can bring them to normal life. There's one thing you people have to keep it in mind, make a list of the such blind children. And second thing, if at all something eye issue is there, it needs timely treatment, proper treatment. For such cases, I tell you, some of the very good hospitals are there. That too particularly in Kerala. The hospital name is Sridharam Hospital. If at all below 14, the any issue, only it is eye hospital. Any issue related to eye, if at all you are able to take to that hospital, it is since 300 years they are running that hospital. 1,000 bed hospital. It is only the hospital in the entire world who are able to give Ayurvedic treatment for eyes. I have been sent to that hospital. Now he is leading normal life. Totally he is all right now for the last 15 years. So such children also partially blind, who are partially blind, 100% I give assurance on behalf of the hospital. Only 15 days treatment is enough and follow-up is necessary. Partially the baby which is blind, for such babies, you make a list of those babies, we send them to, we make a person, getting admission in that hospital is the biggest hurdle. That is the biggest hurdle because the entire world, they used to come and take treatment in that hospital. So we make a special request from on behalf of the Meghalaya government and on behalf of the Raj Bhavan. Whatever the number is there, all of them, batch by batch, we send them who are below 15, 14, 100% they are going to be all right, partially blind. And who are below 30, another 50% assurance they are going to give. So we have to take this issue very seriously, and partially blind, make a list of those children. We try to pursue this matter and send them to the Kerala hospital and see that timely they are able to get the treatment. So I myself, when I am going to see these children, really it humiliates. Normally we cannot speak anything. My God. And you see, it is his test. That baby, his care is become our responsibility now. It is not my wish. It is a testing period for we people. How we are going to take care of that baby. It is a testing time for we people. So in that way, whatever sincere effort can be done, whatever sincere effort we can put, what best, because ultimately they are our children. What best can be done? What best can be done to them? All that care we have to take. Anything, any issue, you bring it to the notice of the Honorable CM. He is also a gentleman, he will take care of it. Any issue, if at all he wishes to bring it to my notice, outside the state, or any issue related to Delhi, any issue related to out of the country, such issues also we pursue it. Ultimately, each and every baby, you have to take care. And some of the babies, I think, if at all you are going to put them for swimming, for singing, some of the child, I think they can become very good musician. Very good musician. Only thing, properly we have to train them. Because it is a land of music. Meghalaya, in the sense, it is a land of music. So, if at all the baby, which baby is interested to learn music, for them you conduct a special training camp. Special training camp. Some of the children, I tell you, they can become a wonderful singers. You make them best singers, and some of them they can become very good sportsmen, including swimming. You identify and bifurcate who can be a good sportsman, who can be a good swimmer, who can be a good singer, who can be a good musician. So you bifurcate this list, and accordingly we have to take them, we have to move them, we have to carry them. So just along with that, shortly, I think within a month of time, I am going to hold a meeting along with you and your minister and your principal secretary. By that time, in view of these children, what is our responsibility and what can be done? Each case we pursue, and in that way we plan for it. We are with you. Thank you so much. Once again, Happy Children's Day. Happy Children's Day to all of you. You are our children. We are with you. Don't feel that you are disabled. Only mentally we should not be. Otherwise everything will be all right. God bless you. Thanks to all of you.